Ipidiang subhay pibaro shakanika channel jongi ka tech tutor Meghalaya balapnya da ka SCSTE Meghalaya te ka kating chunga ka day me ba shisha karin but menta ka singi inne yang in beteng biang ka chapter 2 ka inverse trigonometric functions but menta ngin sedang no ya ka exercise 2.1 te ha ka previous ha ka to ke video ba dap ngala pen e phi shapang ngala dap hikai phi kono bangi yo ekenika tables jonka inverse trigonometric functions ya ka domain ba ka range te na kene ka trigonometric functions ni sayo ya ki na ka domain ba ka range jonka trigonometric functions ni sayo ya ka domain ba ka range jonka inverse jonki te kade ka table manta ki this table give the inverse trigonometric function and kine ka table exactly kala arbe yaki principal value branch along with the domain and range timinta number bangi dan kam ka jengkali ka exercise 2.1 ka angkum no timinta ingin zang ka exercise 2.1 ka question number 1 take you find the principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 okay so sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 we have to find the principal values there and twice the current formula of sine inverse of x equals of minus x sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse x this so in apply the to ka formula hani then sine inverse minus 1 by 2 equals y the implies sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 kanong no minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Apply ka formula. Sine inverse of minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. So, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. They equal 1. So, now honey, multiply the sine both sides. Sine inverse of 1 by 2 equal sine okay implies minus 1 by 2 equal sine tingit din sine kano banang 1 by 2 sine of pi by 6 long 1 by 2 there equal sine y dementa we know that itipa range we know that the range for the principal value namangi hawa ka principal value we know that the range for the principal value branch of sine inverse x they got no then your sine inverse but they got no of sine inverse x right from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 there nang nengina banya implies y pinya kano y is equal to minus pi by 6. The minus pi by 6 in the pet udan hakaneka range. Okay. Then minus pi by 2 convert from minus 90 degree to 90 degree. But all the values but then from minus 90 degree to 90 degree can include. So minus pi by 6 convert minus 30 degree. So minus 30 degree udan hame. So y day therefore here sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal minus pi by 6. Then ang to pilaban to conclusion. Therefore, the principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. Okay. So pilaban ne kom ne or pilaban champen got sure p laban ne direct kom ne ro ang shabu or mo kila I can find the principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 nitip ka to ka formula sine inverse of minus x equal minus sine inverse x apply ka formula hangme equal minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Okay there after apply ka to formula pila kom no equal to hangni bo directly sine inverse half the sine half the sine of pi by 6 yes Then after that, the sine inverse of sine penyo base pi by 6 so minus pi by 6. So indirectly we know that the range of principal value of sine inverse x is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 there, or minus pi by 6 or minus pi by 6 will lie within this range. Therefore, the principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. So either pila bande akumne hagaba pitho line by line and or pila bande shortcut compare. Okay. So now in page soka question number 2. There come jo here in some let cos inverse of root 3 by 2 equal 4 implies directly on root 3 by 2 equal cos y. Yes, or if you have a talk to step root cos of cos inverse root 3 by 2 equal cos y implies root 3 by 2 equal cos y. The cos of which angle along root 3 by 2? They are the pick and table, John K values, John cos, sin, tan, the cos of pi by 6, which is cos of 30 degree along root 3 by 2 equal cos y. Then the range of cos part range of cos from 0 to pi, 0 and pi included. Then we know that the range for the principal value branch of cos inverse x is from 0 to pi. That means from 0 degree to 180 degree. 0 and 180 degree included. 0 to pi, 0 and pi included. There implies an opinion y is equal to pi by 6. Therefore, y is cos inverse root 3 by 2. Cos inverse of root 3 by 2 kadei pi by 6. Therefore, the principal value of cos inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 6. Or directly cos inverse root 3 by 2. The cos inverse root 3 by 2, cos inverse root 3 by 2 day, cos of pi by 6. There, cos inverse, cos cancel, wisdom, pi by 6. This is shortcut. Hidden come, one can shortcut. But then I compile can step by step. This is just shortcut. Hidden come, tang ban show watch but then it's better but line by line. Therefore, the principal value cos inverse root 3 by 2 is pi by 6. The shortcut method then come rough walk but then it's better that you go step by step like this. Solution number 3 cosec inverse 2. Cosec inverse 2. And I'm in shortcut. The cosec inverse 2 equal the cosec cut no along 2. The cosec of pi by 6 along 2. Cosec of pi by 6. The shortcut from shortcut pi by 6 therefore the the principal value of cosec inverse 2 is pi by 6. Cái này là pick shortcut but then ngồi cũng đó puis là bà puis gặp ha bà pick step by step. Thì now mình xem là cosec inverse 2 equals y. Okay. It implies directly mình ta hun no 2 is equal to cosec y. Implies cosec at no belong to cosec of pi by 6 equal cosec y. Thì nhân vật mình ta cái range trong cosec. Cái range trong cosec cái đây from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 included. Minus no yeah 0. Then we know that the range for the principal value branch of cosec inverse is then now mình đã hình nhớ implies y equals pi by 6. Therefore cosec inverse 2 equal pi by 6. The conclusion. Therefore, the principal value of cosec inverse 2 is pi by 6. Có assignment trong page. For assignment, pin 1 sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Second one, cos inverse of cos inverse of 1 by 2. And number 3, tan inverse of root 3. Okay. Ini assignment kini. Teman-teman yang poi sa kabakot trong kani video, ngana saya share dia buat pi. Hakawai pakai video. Kublai shubu.